Angela Hepler-Lee breaks down the farm-to-table revolution. The farm-to-table movement has been steadily reshaping the culinary world, driven by a growing desire for fresh, locally sourced ingredients and sustainable dining experiences. This revolution, led by pioneering chefs like Angela Hepler-Lee, emphasizes a return to the basics of cooking with ingredients that are seasonally available, often directly from the farm to the restaurant table. At its core, the farm-to-table concept is about creating a direct connection between local farms and the culinary establishments that serve their produce. This approach ensures fresher ingredients, supports local economies, and reduces the environmental impact associated with long-distance food transport. By sourcing ingredients from nearby farms, restaurants help sustain small-scale farmers and agricultural communities. Additionally, it helps in preserving local culinary traditions and promotes biodiversity, as farmers are encouraged to grow a variety of crops. By sourcing ingredients locally, chefs significantly reduce the carbon footprint associated with transporting food over long distances. Restaurants embracing this philosophy often design their menus based on what is seasonally available, leading to an ever-changing array of dishes that reflect the local landscape and seasons. It also allows chefs to showcase their creativity and adaptability, constantly reimagining their menus to align with nature's offerings. Despite its many benefits, the farm-to-table approach does come with its set of challenges. To address these challenges, chefs and farmers are exploring collaborations and innovations, like indoor vertical farming, to ensure a consistent supply of fresh ingredients. Moreover, chefs are educating consumers about the value of seasonal eating, which in turn fosters a more adaptable and supportive customer base. The farm-to-table revolution, spearheaded by chefs like Angela Hepler-Lee, is more than a culinary trend, it's a movement towards a more sustainable, ethical, and delicious future. As this movement grows, it holds the promise of transforming not just our palates but our communities and the environment for the better.